Okay, I've got a cable collector apart. This is the insert and this is the outer shell. There's a couple things to look at. One of them is right here. You have an extra extension, if you can see that. Right there. That is where the power cable goes to hold it tight into the unit. You've also got notches up here on this side that indexes the top plate, which you can see the notches right here on the top plate to index it. That'll help hold everything in. I'm going to show you how to put it together and that the cables are nice and tight. Your transducer is going to go to the bottom left. Your GPS is going to be the one with the 4 pins, is going to go to the top right. And that notch, the top left, is going to be where your power cable goes. You put all them in there. Insert that in that plug. Make sure it's good and tight. That one good and tight. And power cable good and tight. Slide this up. Put your 2 screws back in. And there's no wiggle. That holds the cable in.